Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to get a repost button on your TikTok. So let's get started right now. So what you wanna do, guys, you wanna open your TikTok account, of course, and as you can see here, guys, if you see this arrow in the bottom right, just click it, and then as you can see here, this yellow here, it's called repost. When I click it, as you can see here, guys, I have reposted this. So now I reposted this. But if you don't see that option, don't worry, I am going to show you how to get it right now. So all you have to do, guys, at the very bottom right, you want to click your profile, and then you want to click the three little lines in the top right corner, and after that you want to click the second option, which is settings and privacy. And after that you want to scroll down until you see here clear cache. You just have to click here and then click it, and then wait a few seconds. Now it's cleared. And if this still doesn't work, if you go back to the video and you don't see the repost button, don't worry. All you have to do, guys, is just go to your app store here. As you can see here, guys, just go to your app store and then search for TikTok, and then click TikTok. And as you can see here, I have the open button here. It's called open. But if you don't have the latest version, just click update, and it's going to update, and it will have the latest update on your TikTok, and then try again. I hope this worked for you guys. If it does, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video. If you want to get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute, yes guys, 1 minute, click in the video in the screen right now and you will get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute. This may be the problem why you don't have the repost button. So all you have to do, guys, is just click the video and then get 1000 followers and see if it works or not. See you guys in the next video.